Welcome to this Android channel. We are Monday, September 2nd, 2019. And today, what we learned once again is that it's pretty much seems that Android 10, the latest version of Android from Google, will be released tomorrow, Tuesday, September 3rd. And of course, some devices will have it as soon as it's available. Google Pixel phones. It's going to be interesting to see which phones also. We're going to be looking through the week at which phones might have it very, very fast. On Android 9 Pie, it was interesting to see that there was some interesting, there was a few phones that actually got it really quickly and that were not Google phones, which was kind of interesting. It was kind of the first time that we'd seen that. And it's also going to be interesting to see how fast this version of Android is actually going to be pushed to users. Once again, users of most major phones will take weeks, if not months, before they actually get it on their device, which is always a big problem for most Android users. So we know that it's going to be released sometime tomorrow. We'll be talking about it. Tomorrow we'll dedicate a lot of videos on Android 10 and talk a little more about its features, which phones will have it, and as the timeline progresses, we'll look at who and what's going to happen with these different versions of Android. A version that is, of course, being pushed with much more gesture-based navigation rather than buttons or on-screen buttons. So, of course, this is going to be also very interesting to look at because that means that we'll have, a change, a little bit of a change in the way that we use our phones, technically. So we'll be checking that out for sure. And this is interesting as we are at this time. It's interesting also that there's no really big, announcement or no really big, hey, here is the next version. This date is the date, and it's almost like we'll get it out, but it's like only rumors, but rumors that are quite good. They seem to really say, we're gonna have this in available on Tuesday, September 3rd, being released slowly, as of course the first people will be probably checking it out and reviewing it as a new version of Android is available. It's also interesting to note that they've now decided that, well, no more desert names or any, candy or any types of sweet will be used. It's just a numbering system now. Android 10 is now a thing, or what was as the testing phase Android Q. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.